Welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss the part 3 Indian Constitution important article. Today we'll discuss the 50 important article, and this is a very important topic for all competitive exam. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notification. So let's start the video. 101 Article 116 deals with votes on account, votes of credit and exceptional grants. Next, 102 Article 117 deals with special provision as to the financial bills. Next, 103 Article 118 deals with rules of procedure. Next, 104 Article 119 deals with the regulation by law of procedure in Parliament in relation to financial business. Next, 105 Article 120 deals with the language to be used in the Parliament. Next, 106 Article 121 deals with the restriction on discussion in the Parliament. Next, 177 Article 122 deals with courts not to inquiry into the proceedings of the Parliament. Next, 118 very important article, Article 123 power of President to prolong the ordinance during the recess of the Parliament. Next, 109 Article 124 it deals with establishment and the constitution of Supreme Court. This is a very important article. Next, 110 Article 125 deals with salaries etc. of the judges of the Supreme Court. Next, 111 Article 126 deals with the appointment of acting Chief Justice. Next, 112 Article 127 deals with appointment of the ad hoc judges of the Supreme Court. Next, 113 Article 128 it deals with the attendance of retired judges at sitting of the Supreme Court. Next, 114 Article 129 it deals with Supreme Court to be a court of order. Next, 115 Article 130 it deals with seat of Supreme Court. Presently there are 34 judges, 1 Chief Justice and 33 judges. Next, 116 Article 131 it deals with the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Next, 117 Article 132 it deals with appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court in appeals from the High Court in certain cases. Next, 118 Article 133 it deals with appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in appeals from High Courts in regarding to the civil matters. Next, 119 Article 134 it deals with appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in regard to criminal matters. Next, 120 Article 134A it deals with the certificate for appeals to the Supreme Court. Next, 121 Article 135 it deals with jurisdiction and the power of the federal court under existing law to be exercisable by the Supreme Court. Next, 122. Article 136, it deals with special leave to appeal by the Supreme Court. Next, 123, Article 137, it deals with review of the judges or orders by the Supreme Court. Next, 124, Article 138, it deals with enlargement of the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Next, 125, Article 139, it deals with the conferment of the Supreme Court of powers to issue the certain writs. Next, 126, Article 139A, it deals with transfer of certain cases. Next, 127, Article 140, it deals with ancillary powers of the Supreme Court. Next, 128, Article 141, it deals with law declared by the Supreme Court to be binding all the courts. All the courts means the high courts and the district courts. Next, 129, Article 142, it deals with enforcement of the decrees and the orders of the Supreme Court and unless as to discovery, etc. Next, 130, Article 143, powers of the President to consult the Supreme Court. Next, 131, Article 144, it deals with civil and judicial authorities to act in aid of the Supreme Court. Next, 132, Article 145, it deals with rules of court, etc. Next, 133, Article 146, it deals with officers and the servants and the expenses of the Supreme Court. Next, 143, Article 148, it deals with the Comptroller and Auditor-General of India, CAG. This is a very important article. Next, 135, Article 149, it deals with the duties and the powers of the Comptroller and Auditor-General, CAG. Next, 136, Article 150, it deals with forms of accounts of the Union and the states. Next, 137, Article 151, it deals with the audit reports of the Comptroller Auditor of General. Next, 138, very important article, Article 153, it deals with the governors of the states. Next, 139, Article 154, it deals with the executive power of the state shall be vested in the governor. Next, 140, Article 155, it deals with the appointment of the governor. Next, 141, Article 156, it deals with term of office of the governor. Next, 142, Article 157, it deals with the qualification for the appointment as a governor. Next, 143, Article 158, it deals with the condition of governor office. Next, 144, Article 159, it deals with oath and affirmation by the governor. Next, 145, Article 160, it deals with discharge of the functions of the governor in certain contingencies. Next, 146, Article 161, it deals with power of the governor to grant pardon etc., and to suspend, remit, or commute sentence in certain cases. In the governor hand, there is no grant pardon like death sentence. Only the death sentence pardon is power given to the president. Next, 147, Article 162, it deals with extent of the executive power of the state. Next, 148, Article 163, it deals with the Council of Ministers to aid and advise the governor. Next, 149, Article 164, it deals with other provinces as to the minister. Number 1, the chief minister shall be appointed by the governor, and the other minister shall be appointed by the governor on the advice of the chief minister, and the minister shall hold the office during the pleasure of the governor. Provided that in the state of Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha, there shall be a minister in charge of the tribal welfare who may additionally be charge of the welfare of the scheduled caste and the backward classes or the other works. Number 2, the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly of the state. Number 3, before a minister enters upon his office, the governor shall administer to him the oath of the office and the secrecy according to the forms set out for the purpose in the third schedule. Next, number 4, a minister who for any period of 6 consecutive months is not a member of the legislature of the state shall at the expiration of the period cease to be a minister. Number 5, the salaries and the allowances of the minister shall be such as the legislature of the state may from time to time by the law determined and until the legislature of the state so determines shall be specified in the second schedule. Next, Article 150, Article 165, very important article, Advocate General of the state. And the Advocate General is the highest law officer of a state. So these are the important 50 articles. This is the part 3. Next day we will discuss another 50 article in the part 4. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then press the like button and share this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.